You're staring at your books again. The exam date's coming up. But instead of studying, you're asking yourself, what's the point? Your phone buzzes. Your mind wanders. Suddenly, you're deep into a TikTok rabbit hole again. And when you finally try to focus, that fire you had, gone. Here's the truth. You're not lazy. You're not broken. You're just tired of chasing motivation that never seems to last. But what if I told you motivation isn't something you find? It's something you build. And today, I'll show you exactly how. Let's get real. Most students don't fail because they're not smart. They fail because they give up too soon. Why? Because motivation is unreliable. It's easy to feel excited on day one. You make a plan. You grab your highlighters. You say, this time I'll be consistent. Then day 2 hits. You're tired. The results feel so far away. And suddenly your motivation vanishes. You start to question yourself. Am I even good enough? What if I fail anyway? And that fear, the fear of not being enough, that's what kills your drive before it even begins. The worst part? No one teaches you how to fix it. Here's the game changer. Motivation isn't the starting point. It's the result of a good system. If you wait until you feel like studying, you'll never start. But if you build the right habits, motivation shows up after you take action. And that system is built on 3 powerful elements: clarity, momentum, emotion. Let's break it down. First, clarity. Ask yourself, why am I doing this? Not just to pass the test. What's the real reason? Do you want to earn a scholarship? Make your parents proud? Prove something to yourself? You need a reason that matters. Because when your purpose is clear, discipline becomes automatic. Second, momentum. Start small. Instead of saying, I'll study for 5 hours, say, I'll study for 25 minutes. Use the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes on, 5-minute break. One leads to the next. And guess what? Motivation feeds off progress. You don't need a massive breakthrough. You just need a starting point. Third, emotion. Your brain remembers how things feel. So make studying feel good. Set the mood. Light a candle. Play music that helps you focus. Study your favorite subject first to build confidence. Studying doesn't have to be punishment. Make it a vibe. Think about every high achiever you admire, the ones who ace their exams, crush their goals, win awards. They didn't feel motivated every day. They showed up even when they didn't want to. They built discipline. They felt fear. But they didn't let it stop them. They kept going. And that's what separated them from the rest. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Your future self is watching. Will they thank you or wish you had tried harder? If you're feeling unmotivated, that's okay. You're allowed to feel stuck, but you're not allowed to stay there forever. Rest if you need to, then rise. Because the version of you who doesn't quit, who shows up anyway, will look back and whisper, I'm proud of you. So ask yourself, what will future you thank you for starting? Today, you've got this. And if this video gave you even 1% more clarity, hit like, subscribe, and send this to someone who needs a reminder. Motivation fades, but discipline builds empires. And this is your empire in the making.